What's happening, guys? It has been a hot minute since I've done updates. Um, I've had a hectic couple of months here, but things are finally starting to slow down a little bit, and more regular updates will be coming because I'll be working on this car some more. So, a whole lot of what's been going on here has just been the boring stuff. I've already shown you all the Bondo work here, but what I wound up starting to do is the floor pans on this car. So, yeah, the floor pans were worse than originally anticipated, I would say. The Buick Wildcat floor pans are close, but they're not quite the same. I've been having to do some modifications on them. You can see where I pounded that area flat because it was raised on the Buick where it was not on the Impala. Back here you'll see delightful problems here. I'm going to still have to cut out some of that there. Other side you can see where I've been test fitting everything, but as soon as the floor pans get done, then things will pick up quite a bit more because I'm going to be taking the front clip off. I'm going to be pulling the engine out of it, and I'm going to be repairing, the body and quarter rust and start working on engines and transmissions. For right now, I'm going to get the floor pans welded in on this car and try to get all the rust stuff done. So hang with me here. We're going to... All right, so yeah, as you can see, stuff is happening here, and what we're going to do is we're going to continue kind of going around in a circle here and tacking this floor pan in. Fire under there. I do believe transmission has been leaking for quite some time on this car, and yeah, it's probably under there, which is probably not doing my welds any good, but this is more about just holding it in place than it is anything else, because seam sealer and everything else is going to cover up a lot of my bad habits. So when you know the rules, you're allowed to break them. At least that's what Mike Finnegan says. So I believe him. Alright, so it's going to be about an hour or two more of this shit right here, so I'm going to shut y'all down for a little while. And yeah, we'll come back and see the final finished product. Okay, so here we stand with what's happened today. Obviously still got work to do up in there, and a little bit of patching in the corner, but floor pan is in and absolutely rock solid. Grinder and paint will make me the welder I ain't. Get all that set up, but that should hold for a long time. And yeah, just gotta do it 3 more times. So as always, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more.